Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to dive into a practical English conversation that you can use in your everyday life. This is a fantastic way to improve your listening and speaking skills. We'll listen to the full conversation first, then we'll break it down together. So, grab a notebook and let's get started. Hello, good morning. How are you today? Good morning, I'm fine, thank you. And you? I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. Where are you going? I'm going to the library. I want to study English. That's great. Do you like learning English? Yes, I do. English is very important for work and travel. I agree. How long have you been learning English? I have been learning English for 1 year. That's good. Do you practice every day? Yes, I try to practice every day. I watch videos and listen to conversations. That's a very good way to learn. Do you speak English with your friends? Not very often. My friends are shy, and I am shy too. Don't worry, making mistakes is normal when learning a language. You are right. I want to speak English better. You will improve with practice. Why do you want to learn English? I want to get a better job and travel to other countries. That's a good goal. Which country do you want to visit? I want to visit the United States and the United Kingdom. Nice. I hope your dream comes true. Thank you very much. What about you? Why are you learning English? I want to communicate with people from different countries. That's wonderful. English helps us connect with the world. Yes, exactly. Well, I have to go now, okay? Nice talking to you. Nice talking to you too. Have a great day. You too. Goodbye. Goodbye. Great job listening. Now, let's look at some of the key phrases and vocabulary from that conversation. This will help you understand not just what was said, but also how you can use these expressions yourself. First, the greetings. We heard hello, good morning. How are you today? This is a very common and polite way to start a conversation. The response, I'm fine, thank you, and you, is also standard. Notice the question and you. It's a simple way to return the question and keep the conversation flowing. Next, let's talk about destinations. Sarah asks, where are you going? And Tom replies, I'm going to the library. The structure I'm going to is essential for talking about your plans and movements. You can replace the library with any place, the park, the store, work, home. It's incredibly versatile. The main topic is learning English. Sarah asks, how long have you been learning English? Tom's answer, I have been learning English for 1 year, uses the present perfect continuous tense. This tense is perfect for talking about an action that started in the past and is still happening now. Try it yourself. How long have you been learning English? You can say for 2 months, for 3 years, or since I was a child. Let's discuss learning methods. Tom says, I try to practice every day. I watch videos and listen to conversations. This is a fantastic tip for all of you watching. Immersing yourself in the language through videos and listening is one of the most effective ways to learn. What methods do you use? Let me know in the comments below. A very important point was raised about confidence. Tom admits, "My friends are shy, and I am shy too." Sarah's encouragement is key. "Don't worry. Making mistakes is normal when learning a language." This is so true. Fear of making mistakes can stop you from practicing. Remember, every mistake is a learning opportunity. Be brave and speak, even if it's not perfect. Now, let's look at motivations. Why learn English? Tom says, "I want to get a better job and travel to other countries." Sarah says, "I want to communicate with people from different countries." These are powerful reasons. Having a clear goal or a why will keep you motivated on your learning journey. What's your why? Thinking about it can really boost your determination. Finally, let's review how to end a conversation politely. Sarah says, "Well, I have to go now." This is a gentle way to signal that you need to leave. Phrases like "nice talking to you" and "have a great day" are friendly and positive ways to say goodbye. The final exchange of goodbye is simple and effective. So there you have it. A complete breakdown of a natural, everyday English conversation. I hope you found this helpful. The best way to improve is to practice. Try using some of these phrases with a friend or even by yourself. Rewatch this video, listen carefully to the pronunciation, and repeat the lines out loud. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this lesson and want more content like this, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.